Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. If you want to hire someone for your business, posting a job on Facebook is still a simple way to reach potential candidates. In this video, we will go through how to create a job post using a regular post on your Facebook business page. On your computer or mobile device, open Facebook and log into your account. Make sure you're using your business page because job-related posts work best from a professional page rather than a personal profile. Go to your business page by selecting it from the left menu on a computer or from the menu button at the bottom on a mobile device. Once you're on your business page, click on Create Post just like you would for a regular update. In the Post section, start by writing a clear and engaging job description. Begin with a strong headline like "We are hiring" or "Join our team." Include key details such as the job title, responsibilities, location, and any required qualifications. If the job is remote or part-time, mention that as well. Keep the description easy to read by using short sentences or bullet points. To make your post more attractive, add a relevant image. This could be a picture of your workplace, your team, or a simple graphic with the job title. You can also include your company logo to make the post look more professional. If you want to collect applications directly, add a call to action at the end of your post. Ask interested candidates to apply by sending you a message, commenting on the post, or emailing their resume. You can also include a link to an external job application form if you have one. Before publishing, review your post to ensure all the details are correct. When you are ready, click Post. Your job post is now live on your business page. To reach more people, consider sharing your post in relevant Facebook groups where job seekers might be active. You can also use the Boost Post option to turn it into a paid ad, which will help you reach a larger audience. That is how you create a job post on Facebook using a regular post. This method is free and allows you to engage with potential candidates quickly.